There is a moment in the life of every seeker, every explorer, every person who has ever wondered about the mysteries of reality. There is a moment when something shifts, a realization, a spark, a subtle yet profound recognition that everything is not as it seemed. This moment, the quantum aha moment, is unlike any other. It is not merely intellectual. It is not simply an idea. It is a deep, visceral knowing, a recognition of a truth that exists beyond time, beyond logic, beyond the ordinary. Imagine standing in a quiet forest, the sunlight filtering softly through the leaves. The air carries the scent of earth, of growth, of life. And in that stillness, you hear a whisper, a subtle signal from a reality far larger, far more intricate than your ordinary perception. The quantum aha moment, much like this, a gentle yet undeniable recognition that the universe, the very fabric of existence, responds to your awareness, to your attention, to the way you choose to experience it. Many people spend their lives searching for answers in books, in mentors, external guidance. Yet, the quantum aha moment reminds us that the most profound wisdom resides within. This is the moment when you realize that the reality you inhabit is not fixed. It is fluid, dynamic, responsive. It dances to the rhythm of your consciousness. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your focus, your intentions all shape the way life unfolds. In this moment, you see the invisible threads, the subtle architecture that underlies every event, every circumstance, every encounter. The field of quantum possibility is vast, incomprehensibly vast. It exists simultaneously everywhere and nowhere. It is the underlying potential, the unmanifested, the raw fabric of creation, and yet it is intimately connected to the choices you make, to the energy you radiate, to attention you give. Every thought, every emotion, every expectation is like a brushstroke, painting the canvas of your life. Until this recognition occurs, it can feel abstract, intangible, almost mystical. But the quantum aha moment is when it becomes palpably real. What is extraordinary is how simple this understanding can be. The shift does not require extraordinary effort or complex rituals. It often arrives quietly, unexpectedly, in a moment of clarity, perhaps while walking or sitting or even in the midst of routine activity. Suddenly, you see the patterns that were hidden, the connections that were obscured. The aha is not loud, it is not dramatic, it is subtle, yet irrevocable. Once it occurs, life cannot be experienced in the same way again. This realization that your consciousness shapes reality challenges everything you thought you knew. It may initially feel disorienting or even uncomfortable because it places responsibility firmly in your hands, not as a burden, but as empowerment. The power to create, the power to choose, the power to align with the infinite possibilities that are always available to you. The field does not judge, it does not favor, it simply responds to the resonance, to the coherence of your being. Many seekers in their journey have overlooked this simple truth. They search for external validation, for formulas, for step-by-step guides. Yet the quantum aha moment reveals that the real work is internal. It is the alignment of thought, emotion, and intention. The coherence of your inner state is what catalyzes the outer. It is not about forcing outcomes. It is not about pushing reality into submission. It is about tuning, refining, harmonizing your own vibrational signal with the limitless potential that exists all around you. One of the most profound aspects of realization is the role of observation. In quantum physics, the act of observing changes the outcome. Reality is not merely a stage where events unfold independently of you. Your observation, your attention, your conscious awareness participates in the creation of the moment. This principle extends beyond laboratory experiments into your life. Every interaction, every experience, every circumstance is subtly influenced by the way you perceive it, by the energy you bring to it. When you truly grasp the magnitude of this truth, it can ignite a revolution in the way you live. No longer are you a passive observer, swept along by circumstance. You become a conscious participant, a co-creator, an artist, painting with intention in the ever-shifting field of possibility. The quantum aha moment is the turning point, the awakening that shows you that the brush is in your hands and the canvas is unlimited. The next revelation that often accompanies this moment is the realization of interconnectedness. Every thought, every intention, every act send ripples into the field, influencing subtly the unfolding of events around you. Nothing exists in isolation. Nothing is separate. The field, the universe, reality itself is a network, a living, breathing, dynamic system. Every choice, every vibration, focus is a thread in the intricate tapestry of existence. It is here, in this moment of insight, that you may also recognize the power of alignment. Alignment between your heart, your mind, your spirit, and the actions you take creates a coherence, a resonance that the field naturally responds to. Misalignment, on the other hand, generates friction, confusion, and resistance. When intention, emotion, and thought are in harmony, the universe appears to flow effortlessly.